welcome back to another vlog. I am so sorry, it's been a while since I've picked up my vlogging camera to do this, but I wanted to apologize. Well, sorry not sorry, I needed a break. I didn't have a video for you guys yesterday, which was Tuesday. I usually post videos Tuesdays and Fridays, and I just really needed a break because burnout is real. And I was actually about to head outside to walk for about 40 minutes, but it is raining cats and dogs out of the blue. You probably can't see that, but yeah. I am going to do a quick little leg workout here on the mat, and then I was supposed to go outside and run some errands, which I think I might still, but probably after the rain subsides a bit. Let me show you how it looks. So that is the rain, guys. It is pouring down, and we have a really good view of the pool. So whenever it's empty, that's when I take my shot. I don't like going to the pool when there's a bunch of folks there, which I did on Sunday and was really nice. But yeah, okay, this is the outfit. Well, this is the set that I decided to wear for my outside walk, but now I'm going to be, you know, exercising on the inside. So just a few leg workouts. I want to work on my inner thigh. I've been on this challenge now. I decided to start myself on it's a squat challenge. So the first day was 50, the second day was 55, yesterday was 60, and today's rest day. But I still want to get some of that in because my inner leg does not look cute, doesn't look the way I want it to look. So yeah, this is that. I'm not sure what's going on with my screen, but I don't like it. So I just got done with my quick little workout. I didn't do much, you saw. So now I'm making a smoothie drink. I use the Target brand, what's this? Good and Gather mango strawberry blend. Love this for me. It tastes so good. I always repurchase this because it's a really good, it makes really good smoothies. And then I added this hemp seed mixture to it. So it has flax, chai, and hemp seeds in it. I really like adding this. It really adds, I guess, more protein and high fiber in the shake. And then I also added smoothie, orange juice, and then water because I didn't want too much juice in there. So I'm gonna blend this up, drink it. I'm gonna relax a little bit, take a shower, and then I got some packages too. Let me show you that. I actually just came from downstairs. I got some things from H&M. I got some things from Zara. And I got a little thing from Farfetched. I may show you guys. We'll see. Alright, but let's just make this smoothie and then we'll come back to that. Alright, bon appetit. Alright guys, let's get into these packages. Alright, so this first thing that I have is actually for my birthday. It just came in this. All right guys, so that was a quick unboxing. So I got a pair of shoes from Zara. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep those. I think I might return them and get something more strappy, but in that color. I think I saw something on the site that is strappy, like a strappy heel sandal that is mint green. So I think I'm gonna return that, and I'm gonna keep the top. It looks a bit big. It's a size large, but it looks a bit big. And then you guys saw the item that I got from Farfetch. I got that for my birthday, so that's what I plan on wearing. A short mini skirt that I also got from Zara on sale. It was like 10 bucks. And then I got a few pieces from H&M. I got me a long, I got a wide leg white linen pants, and then a kind of bralette top to go with it. That's more like a summer vacay vibe situation, so I got that to go with that. And then I got like a robe because I wanted something long that's more of a neutral. I do have a long one that I got from Amazon, but that's one a little bit, you know, has a lot of things going on with it, so I wanted something a little bit more subdued and neutral. And then I got a pajama set, that black kind of lacy set, and then I got a tank, and that's all I got. You guys saw that. And so yeah, I'm gonna finish my smoothie, and then I have some errands to run. I'm gonna take you guys along, so stay tuned for that. All right guys, so I am outside. The first stop is not here. I'm actually just up front the UPS store, so I'm returning some items that I ordered from Amazon. So I had this great idea that I was going to do my own gel manicure, and I ordered some polishes and the UV light and all that stuff. I used it once and realized this is not for me, so I'm returning it, and I'm gonna try and see if I could fax some documents here at the UPS store as well. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna ask a question and see if it's possible. If not, I'm gonna have to try somewhere else. Then after that, I actually did a closet clean out on the weekend, this past weekend. So I have a bunch of, not a bunch, like a bag of clothes that I need to drop off. So I'm gonna do that on my way to the Zara store. And if I have time, I want to see if I can get like a gel polish. If not, then I'll try another day. But yeah, let's go. So it is the very next day, and yes, I'm wearing my robe that I tried on for you guys yesterday, and of course I wear my thing, so I wanted to wear it today, and so here we are. But yeah, obviously it's the next day. I got all my errands completed yesterday. Very happy about that. I was able to donate to the Goodwill and return some items. Ended up at Zara, guys. I got to Zara at 4:33 to be exact. Walked in, it was not as packed, but as I got closer to the front, I realized there were like 2 lines. Got in, well, I picked up a few things. I'm going to show you guys that in a bit, but I picked up a few things there, and I decided to go to the line because, you know, I wanted to return my things and be on my way. So I waited. I attempted to go over to the next line because I realized that that line was moving faster, and saw that there was like 2 lines for a reason. So the one line that I was going to was for only purchases, and the one that I was waiting in was for all transactions, so returns, exchanges, purchases, all that good stuff. So of course I had returns, so I went back to where I was standing. The lady behind me was, you know, she wasn't annoyed at anything, so that was good. But yeah, so I waited. It was so long, like people was taking so long at the register. It was annoying. So I finally got there, was able to return some items and got a few pieces. So actually when I was waiting in a line, I did have like a pajama set, and I was really into the color at first. It was like a beige pattern, but on the ends of the shirt and the pants there was like orange, and I wasn't feeling that. I was trying to figure out like how I would incorporate that into like my wardrobe. I wasn't feeling the orange. Like I feel like if it had green or another neutral color, like a dark brown, something, it would have worked, but I wasn't feeling orange, so I left that behind. And it was like $70 for each piece, and I didn't go to buy, I went to return or exchange. So I did that, and was finally able to leave there after like 45 minutes of waiting. Yeah, but let's get into the pieces that I actually picked up. It's empty, but first is these shoes. I got these shoes because I wanted to match the Bottega dupe that I recently got from Looks Like Summer, and I saw these and I thought they were perfect. I love the heel height. I think they're actual leather, and I almost returned these two because these were like 70 bucks as well. Actually no, the pajama set were like 79, so $80 for each piece, and that was a no. Not for like, the material is like very similar to this one, so I was like, no. But look, perfection, perfection. It matches it to a T, and I love that for me. I love it, I love it. And the next item that I got from Zara was this, what you call this, bodysuit. It was only $19. I really wish it was like on sale, but I love the color. You guys know this color is like very on and popping for the summer, the season. And yeah, I got it in a size large, but I feel like this might be a little too big. I haven't tried it on, so I don't know. So whenever I do, I would see if it works. If not, it's gonna go back. And then I also got a few other items that came in that I ordered yesterday. One being my shoe rack, and I need to actually put that up, but that won't be today. So my closet will have to stay being a mess until probably tomorrow or sometime on the weekend. But yeah, I need to put it up, build it up, and organize my shoes. Right now the shoes were just there on the floor, and I need to fix that. The next package that I got was from Nordstrom. Was some skimming pieces that I've been wanting for a while. The first one is this core control thong situation. That's how it looks. I got it in the cocoa. Let me take it out the packaging so you can see exactly how it looks. So I got it in the chocolate brown. Oh my god, guys, this is gonna suck me all the way in. I got this in this is a large, X large. How is this going to stick? How am I gonna get this on? Oh my god, I've never seen this in person, so I really wasn't expecting it to be. I can't even pull it that much. Wow. Okay, so guys, you're definitely, your tummy's gonna look flat with this. It's gonna be in flat with this. Wow. And this is a large, extra large, guys, so I don't know. I'll keep you posted on this. And then I got two other pieces. It's their cotton, her boxer shorts. Love this. I've been wanting this color for a very long time, but every time I go to order my size, it's sold out. So I was very happy that Nordstrom had it in my size. I got it in a medium. All of the pieces that I got in this particular style, I have two longer ones, one in like a rust brown, and then I got it in the black, and those are in medium. They fit very well, comfortable, and I wanted to get this one in the short, so happy that I have that. And I got the matching bra, and I got it in the triangular bra situation. Really love this. It's comfortable. I'm gonna try it on and see how it fits for you guys, so you guys can see how it looks on me. I usually wear size large, but I'm working to get down to a medium. That's been a life struggle these past few years, but we're gonna stay consistent as I can be. This is everything that I got as of yesterday. I'm on the fence about the green top and the shoes, so I don't know if I'll keep them. I just may return them. I don't know, but we'll see. But guys, I really appreciate you watching to this far in the video, and if you like these type of short little mini vlogs, definitely give the video a thumbs up, so I know you want to see more of these types of content. And also like, share, comment, subscribe, do all the good things. I want to see you guys back. I need to get myself together today. I'm gonna do that. And guys, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.